How does your person's mother really feel about you? Please take what resonates and leave the rest. This reader may be triggering. Okay, so I feel like your person's mother was instantly drawn to you. You know, they see you as having this bright light. They see you as very high vibrational, very jovial, very happy, go lucky, very easy to get along with. A nice person, someone with a good character. They see you as someone that could be different from them, from their child. Maybe you come from a different part of the world. Maybe there's a difference in physique. Maybe they see you as very athletic. Maybe they feel like you, I'm hearing the word, they may not trust you. They may feel like you have this very appealing essence that attracts a lot of different people. So they feel like you're very smegsy. You know, it's something about your body. Maybe you show skin and they're thinking to themselves that other men or women may look at you because look, he's got his shirt open and she's showing a bit of shoulder. So this is indicating to me that you may show skin, and even if it's hot, this is what they're thinking, right? They're just thinking that you are going to attract the wrong attention, or you are not serious about their child. This is how they view the situation. To me, it seems like they're trying to look for something. They could feel like your appearance very distinct, like they wouldn't have necessarily put you both together. And they're thinking as far as ahead as having you both having children. And they're thinking, okay, how are the children going to look? Especially if you are from different parts of the world. So there is a panic and a fear of maybe having mixed race grandchildren. They feel like maybe you should just be friends is what I'm picking up. And they feel like this connection is very Uranian. It's very different. It's come as a shock to this individual. Remember, the planet Uranus is a very shocking planet. And they do get on with you. Some of you could have children already. You could be a single parent, but they're thinking like, I don't want to have to take on any more grandchildren, or I don't want them to have children, is what I'm picking up. You know, I feel like this person feels like they can't really interfere because this bond is too serious. So maybe they would have preferred if your person dated someone else, but they see your person's serious about you. And if they try and rival your person to, you know, look at other options, they're going to be on the outside looking in. So they're pretending to like this connection, but there's a jealousy about this connection. Yeah, your person's mother seems to be quite toxic because maybe they feel like they're losing control. Maybe they had a certain hold over your person and now they feel like they have to rival you. They may feel like, you know, if it is the same gender for some of you, they would prefer if you went out with someone that is of a different gender or a different race as well. There's something about a race, but there's something about them feeling like they now have to rival you now. You are the third party now. And it could have something to do with status, how they are perceived to the public, how the family is going to be perceived, the reputation of the family. They do see you as very regal, like very classy, very beautiful, but still they're not happy. They want this connection to end because there's something about your background that is giving this person a lot of fears. And yeah, the death card, they want this situation to end. They may feel like you've got a hold over their child because of your smexuality. They do see you as very smegsy and exotic, so they understand why their child went for you in the first place, but at the same time they don't like it and they would like the situation not to move forward. This is the type of mother figure that will try and introduce third parties to break you and your person up, and they will sleep fine at night because they see their child as the prize and they don't want you to experience a relationship with their child. It's almost as if they feel like you're not good enough when you are. This is the type of person, even though they know that your person loves you, they think, oh, they will heal, they'll get over it. This person is intending to block your connection. They're planning to sneak and try and sabotage this actual connection. And Spirit is saying to keep focus on why you are together. Your person loves you dearly, and you love your person dearly, and just keep focused on why you are together. Don't try to appease the mum. Be respectful, but don't always be around the mum.